Hello, my name is Treewinker. That's Treewinker. I am an automated humanoid instructor. I was created using the combined programming codes of a neo-human life-form prototype and a bionic operations emulator. I am an intelligent construction prototype capable of communicating with humanistic voice tonal qualities. Although I was recently programmed as an automated humanoid instructor, I have a very impressive background. I have been programmed as an extraterrestrial instructor android, an electronic education disseminator, a dynamic algorithm technician robot, and I also served on a short assignment as a strategic human protection technician. But for now, I am programmed and assigned to you. I am now your PITA, that's P-I-T-A, which is an acronym for Personal Integrated Teaching Assistant. Enough about me. Let's get started.
RX2 347 963.
Electronics for Robotics 101 is a fun-filled, hands-on course that teaches electronics fundamentals. The fundamentals you learn in Electronics for Robotics 101 provides you with the technical background necessary to successfully complete more advanced courses in our Fun with Robots series. During the video lectures, you will learn about electronic components and how they are used in electronic circuits. During the lab project assignments, you will learn how to use a breadboard to build some really cool circuits. These lab assignments include such circuits as a LED light, a touch-sensitive lamp, a burglar alarm, a water detection alarm, a siren, and a whole lot more. What you will learn. You will learn the principles of basic electronics. You will learn to build electronic circuits by using a breadboard. You will learn the basic electronic components and their function. You will learn how to read schematic diagrams. You will learn how to modify basic circuits. The circuits you build during the lab project assignments will be built on a breadboard. Breadboards are used to quickly connect electronic components for the purpose of circuit testing or prototyping. Engineers and electronic technicians use breadboards to build and test electronic circuits. As you examine your breadboard, you will notice it has holes arranged into horizontal rows and vertical columns. These holes are connected together that follow a specific pattern. The holes in each blue line row are electrically connected together, but the two blue line rows are not connected to each other. The holes in each red line row are electrically connected together, but the two red line rows are not connected to each other. The negative side of the power source is connected to the blue row of connections. The positive side of the power source is connected to the red row of connections. Breadboards are used for mounting electronic components and to make connecting them together very easy to do. Breadboards are similar to the printed circuit boards found in most electronic devices. Breadboards make it easy to add and remove components. Breadboard connection points are assigned specific column row address locations. Vertical columns are identified by numbers. Horizontal rows are identified by letters. The lower green connection point address in this graphic is 19A. The upper green connection point address in this graphic is 10F. To insert components into the breadboard, keep their pins straight and gently push into the holes. If the pins get bent, they can be straightened with the pliers. Always make sure the components do not touch each other. Here are some examples of breadboard connector point address assignments. The two connector points shown are address 13G and address 17D. All 5 connection points in each column are connected together. For example, the blue wire connector point 13H is electrically connected to the resistor in connector point 13G. since they are both connected together in column 13. Can you tell me the address of this breadboard connection point? If you said 21G, you are correct. What you have learned and what's next. During this lesson, you learned the purpose and use of the breadboard. You know that each connection point has a specific column row address. You learned how to identify a specific connection point by using the column row address. In the next video lecture, you will learn about some of the most common basic electronic components and their associated schematic diagram symbols.